For those looking to boost the performance of their Dell Inspiron, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 RAM kit might be the upgrade you need. This kit, consisting of two 16GB modules, is specifically designed for compatibility with a range of Dell Inspiron all-in-one and laptop models, including the Inspiron 24-3, 3277 AIO, and several others like the 5481, 5485, and 7000 series. The ATEC memory operates at a speed of 2,400 MHz, which is a decent speed for DDR4 RAM. It adheres to the PC 4-19200 standard, being a SODIMM, or Small Outline Dual Inline Memory Module. It's the correct form factor for laptops and all-in-one computers, ensuring a proper fit. This memory is non-ECC unbuffered, which is typical for consumer-grade systems. It operates at the standard DDR4 voltage of 1.2 V, which helps to keep power consumption and heat generation in check. One of the most significant benefits of upgrading your system's RAM is the immediate improvement in multitasking and overall responsiveness. With 32 GB of RAM, your Dell Inspiron will be able to handle more demanding applications, larger datasets, and more browser tabs without slowing down. This is particularly useful for users who frequently work with multimedia content, run virtual machines, or engage in other memory-intensive tasks. Installation is designed to be straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that it can be done at home without requiring specialized expertise. However, it's always a good idea to consult your system's manual for specific instructions on how to properly install the memory modules. Pay close attention to the correct slots and channel configurations to ensure optimal performance. ATEC puts its memory modules through rigorous testing to ensure reliability. This is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. Additionally, ATEC offers tech support to assist with any questions or issues that may arise before or after the purchase. If you're experiencing sluggish performance on your Dell Inspiron and it's compatible with this memory, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 kit is a worthwhile upgrade to consider. The increased memory capacity can significantly improve your system's ability to handle demanding tasks, resulting in a smoother and more efficient computing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.